which indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, cargo cover, and has been listed as an IIHS Top Safety Pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, headlights auto off, tilt steering wheel. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.